Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to find your mobile hotspot keyhard code for internet or data connection. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, head over to my phone settings. So having opened up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to go to hotspots and connections. So simply click on that. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to personal hotspot. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on share hotspot. Then take you to your keyhard code right here. You can simply scan this QR. You can simply take a screenshot of this QR code and send it to somebody else to connect with your mobile internet data. It's as simple as. So basically, this is how to find your mobile hotspot keyhard code for internet data connection. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.